Hello, here's a powerful piece of inspiration for today. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. Keep pushing forward no matter the obstacles. Every step, even the small ones, brings you closer to your goals. Muvaffaqiyat oxirgi natija emas. Mag'lubiyatmi ajallik zarba emas. Muhim bo'lgani davomlashtirishga ko'rsatgan g'ayratingizdir. Winston Churchill. To'sqinliklar qanchalik bo'lishidan qat'iy nazar, doim olg'a qarab mening. Har bir qadamingiz mayli qanchalik kichik bo'lsin, sizni nishoningizga yaqinlashtirib maqdir.